Beep beep. Oh, beep beep. Everybody honkering. Everybody honkering. Every day I'm hustling. I wish, actually. Oh, a kitty. I don't know why that guy looked like my brother-in-law. I'm telling you, there's a lot of doppelgangers around. Creepy. Get the hell out of here. Get out of here, you creep. Yeah, one of these assholes gotta be John. Definitely. Creepers. Never alone, right? Man, today's the last day of May, huh? May 31st, 2023. You know, they always gotta send somebody at this time. I'm hoping it's just a regular person. Like, if they do something weird, I'll try to get it on video. Yeah, it was honking already, so like I sat down on the bench. But today I'm not gonna stay too long. I wanna go in, put my pajamas on, relax. And so when people want to be friends again, after so many years you told them you don't want to be friends with them anymore, whatever they do to you, they just want, they want to feel like they can be part of your life again in some way. Like this person, they got themselves sick, obviously, actually, because they wound up having a stroke and living in a nursing home. She's not too much older than me, like maybe a year or two. It's pretty bad. She was young. But I do feel bad for her for that reason only. And, I kind of feel bad, sorry for her, basically. For not being able to know how to be a true friend to everybody, She's very manipulative. She's very, she not gaslights, but she does that. What's the other one? Malignant narcissist, I think. That's what it's called. There's a lot of women out there that do that. They play the victim. Like, I've been through stuff. I've told you guys what I've been through. And, people like me, like, they clip our wings so we can't fly. But that's why these perps are out here trying to stop me from shining my light. They realize my light is coming back. Right? So, you know what I mean? Like, I'm doing everything I can to just be a better person in general. Be kind to people, to animals especially. They see that all their tactics aren't working anymore, so what the hell's going on right now? See, there's always gotta be something. The hell? That's really weird. It feels like they're coming, and they're not. Park your fucking car already. They come around when you're by yourself and they come around. They want to listen to your conversation. Whether you're by yourself, they want to listen to your thoughts while you're by yourself and don't say anything. But if you're on the phone, they definitely want to hear that. They love gossip. So I try not to gossip. So I try not to say like very, very important, like private stuff. Oh, they figure it out anyway. I had a voice of school the other day. I was up early. I was sitting in my bed, and I heard the voices called. I forgot what they did. They said something. Man, I didn't write it down though. I'm like, shut the fuck up. When I woke up, they're trying to put me to sleep at all times. They want me to just sleep all day. They try to drain my energy. Right now, I feel it. They're actually hitting my gums. Because they know I have teeth problems, so they're gonna hit my side that I don't chew on. Okay, I'm trying to alternate between the sides I chew on, but yeah, because I have to fix my teeth. So now they're doing like, they're zapping my gums because they want all my teeth to fall out. And I've heard somebody else say this too. It's the guy from Duncan. Well, he's late. It's like 10:30 almost. Yo, what's he up to? Food. Yeah, John, if he ever came around, he would actually come up to me now, like if I'm out here at night. And he would be like, hello. Like that, old fruity. He better not. That's all I'm saying. But I don't think he can anyway. I think he works, so he can't come out. But it's fine. Sucks to be me. Thank God for me. Oh, this guy's really walking around. Back up for 135 seconds. See, that's what gets me to think that you're a perp. Why are you walking up and down like that all of a sudden? He's texting, perps do it all the time. They walk around, they see you, he's scratching, you got this line. I don't know. He didn't look up at the car, so I don't think that was him. You know what I mean? Listen, even if they're not perps, but they do that stuff that the perps do, that means somebody's telling them to do that. It's like the app, or whatever the hell it's called, the AI technology is making them do those things. It's just their way of triggering people around you to make you think everybody's a perp. And there's a video about it on YouTube. I don't remember the name of it, but they show a person walking around and everybody just minding their business, and then the person's put the technology on and everybody was doing something weird. They're all wired. I mean, we're all wired to the network anyway, whether you got the shots or not. So, you know what I mean? They just got it quicker. We're all wired to the same people, each other. So, I guess we'll see. We'll see how this goes. It's really nice out right now, but I still don't want to stay out here too long. It's just when you really see the creeps, And they keep honking. They keep honking like crazy. And when they're speeding down the block, forget about it's funny. I laugh because it's funny. It's very funny, actually. I'm laughing right now. The camera, even though the camera's not catching it, which is weird. A lot of the times the camera catches the car making the noises all the way down the block. I don't know how it's doing that. You hear the ambulance, whatever it is. As soon as I start talking. I mean, there's a firehouse not too far from here, but still. Oh, yeah, I haven't heard. I did hear one or two, I think, today. And that was it. Sounds like a cat. There's some weird smells in the air tonight too. It doesn't smell like cigarettes and it doesn't smell like pot. It smells like something else. It kind of smells like pineapple lifesaver. I don't know. Maybe they're just hitting me with the voice of the skull shit. And I'm smelling lifesaver pineapple. Who knows? I think that's what it is. What the fuck was that? Anyway. I tell you. That guy with his arm up in the passenger seat had a red shirt. See, told you. Lols. Oh, they're mad because I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow. I already said it out loud that I was going to the gym. Did you hear my conversation? You know they did. Oh, we smelled the smoke from Canada yesterday. And I'm like, what is that? Because we're gonna smell the smell from the Shusleggy house there. That stinks. It's too much smoke coming from there. That's a health hazard. It's like foggy in the air. It's like gross. Can't open your windows. It takes over the whole neighborhood, that smell. So, I tell you, sometimes when I see perps and they do the signals and they look at me, I just push my glasses up. And they get annoyed, some of them. A lot of them get annoyed. They think we can't do those symbols to them, too. We can't do the signs at all because we're not part of their club. Oh, we know the signs because we see you doing them. Or you're trying to trigger us to make us go crazy. So you damn right I'm going to use it right back at you. There's a lot of music. Oh. Think your car is broken. Maybe it was a perp car. I thought that was loud music coming from the car. That's what they do too. When they see us by ourselves, they just speed. And like they rev up the engines first and they speed down the block. And then as they're speeding, you hear they roll their windows down right before they get to your house. And then you hear lots of music. Really loud ass music. I don't know who they think that I am though, because I've played loud music my whole life, just not in a car. I don't have a car. And there's the moon. It's a little yellow. There's the honking. Honk, honk. Not too late. Somebody was honking like crazy. I haven't heard that in a long time. There's a couple of them that come by and honk. But as long as you hear them, they don't care if they get filmed. As long as you actually hear the honking when they come by. Honk, honk. You heard somebody screaming? Somebody was just screaming. Oh shit. Honk, honk. Beep, beep. So I wound up finding another Looney Tunes shirt that I had. I forgot I even had it. It was at the bottom of my drawer. Because the one that I wear now, the pictures are fading. So this one's a nice one, and it says, "That's all, folks." That's what the perps do. That's all, folks. And this guy is really coming around again. It's like 10 times. Yeah, people, I hear them. What the hell do you want? Yo. I'm surprised he's not wearing any colors like that. So he might just be a regular person, but why is he walking out the block out like that? Go on a comment, pick one. What is going on out there? I'm not gonna videotape them because they're not on my property, so. Beep. I hear the honking. Oh, they gotta do better than that though. Before I go in. I'm going in a minute. A couple minutes. What the fuck? It's the same two assholes every night. That was for the perps. Hope you smell it. They do. They have like smell-o-vision. They smell everything. Come on. I noticed when the windows are open, that's usually, the handlers usually leave the windows open in their car at all times of the years when they're coming down your block and they're speeding down. So that's why a couple of videos ago, I was going honk, honk, honk after they were doing that. So when they pass by, they had their hand on the window like that, like they usually do. They looked like they were annoyed. Oh well. Honk, honk. See? They did it. Closer. We gotta do it closer. Come on, you fuckers. I gotta go in. I gotta go to the gym tomorrow. Let's go. Hurry up. Move your ass. Chop, chop. Honk, honk. Damn, this guy again. What the fuck, man? What is his deal? Whose house is he going to anyway? Being on this side. Honk, honk. You do it to perp people too. Perps trying to get you. Honk it like it's hot. Honk it like it's hot. Damn, these perps are boring. Listen, I don't watch TV no more. I put the weather on and then I shut the damn TV off. I don't fucking care. So they gotta entertain me in some way. I mean, I'm not paying them, but if they want to get paid, they have to do that kind of stuff, right? Whether I film them or not. You heard the honk down the block. So I wonder if that's for that guy, when he's going to somebody else's house. Honk, honk. Damn, they're boring. Alright, I'm gonna go in then. They're not gonna honk anymore. I'm insulted. What the fuck? Oh, they're on the porch. That's why. Come on, honkers. Nope, nothing. No more honkers. Yeah, there's nobody there. Very faint honkers. Like, come on already. Move your ass and honk the horns. Yeah, they're a bunch of bitches. Hey, honking.